Hi guys, today we've got a new Ninja product. It's the Ninja Blast. It's a portable blender. We're going to be doing a little unboxing and putting it to a test. So let's get on with it. Okay, so let's see what's in the box. So this is the box it comes in. The Ninja Blast. Let's get this top bit open and we'll have a look. So, we've got some sort of lid. Put that to the side. We've got a quick assembly guide. We've got some safety instructions. And here's the unit itself. There's a couple of stickers on there. This one says, when solid purple, press for 30-second blend mode. You can see that. Let's take the lid of the cup off. And in there, various things. Little guide here shows you in what order to fill up the cup. We've got fresh fruit, then we've got some leafy greens, then dry or sticky ingredients, and then finish with ice or some frozen ingredients. And here's the cup. Inside there's the blades. It says there, before first use, fully charged blender for 2 hours. Just going to take that sticker off. There's another sticker on the side. It tells you all about the lights on the front panel. We'll leave that on there for now. On the back there, we've got the USB-C charging point. Do not submerge base on this sticker here. We're going to take off this sticker. And there we go. So I've got it in this lovely blue colour, and the cup holds 530 millilitres. There are some markings here. We've got a minimum liquid here and a maximum fill line. Now, you can unscrew this cup as well. That will expose the blades. That's for sort of cleaning. We're going to put that on. And on the back, I don't know if you can see that, there's a couple of arrows. You just turn it until those arrows meet. There we go. So, that's the unit. A little packet here. See what's inside. So this goes over the blades for protection if the cup isn't assembled. Everything, all the packaging is paper, which is great for the environment. Got a USB-C charging lead. And this is the cup lid. Little button there that push to open up, and you can drink from this spout. And there's like a rubber stopper which goes over the drinking spout. That's really good. A little carrying handle. Let's put that all back together. And there we go. Really cool piece of kit. It's not too heavy, even though you've got this base at the bottom. Now, if I was to undo this, just to show you, we have the blade guard. So that would go on there like so. And this lid could go on the bottom of your cup. So you could blend at home and then just take this with you and give it a shake. But the whole idea of the machine is so that you can blend on the go. And here we go. Let's put it all back together. We'll line up those two arrows again. and that's ready to use. So I'm going to give it a rinse. I always like to rinse new products before I use them. Give it a rinse and then we'll get some ingredients in it. Okay guys, so I've rinsed it, I've dried it. I haven't charged it yet. We're going to see if it's got any power in it. And what we're going to do is we're going to take off the top lid. And I've got some coconut milk. I'm going to pour this into the cup up to the minimum liquid line, which is there. There we go. And then I've got some frozen raspberries. We're going to put some of these inside. Without making a mess. There we go, and then I'm just going to top it up to the maximum fill with some more coconut milk. Going to put the lid on. Nice and tight. And there we go, that's ready to go. I could just pick that up, go to work, the gym, wherever I'm going to go, and blend when I'm ready to use it. So there's frozen raspberries in there, so I'm going to give it a test now to see how well it copes with some frozen fruit. So I'm going to push the power button. I've got a nice little purple light going on here. Going to give it a bit of a shake and then hit start. And there it goes. Give it a little shake. It sounds like it's dealing with the frozen raspberries quite well. This is going to make it an excellent smoothie. Not too loud. And that's the cycle finished. So I'm going to open up the top and we can see how well it's blended. And there we go. That's perfect. Perfect, that is. I'm going to put the lid on, give it a taste. Pop open the lid. Wow, that's yummy. Really, really good. Obviously, if I was going to work, I wouldn't have blended it straight away. I would have taken it to work and blended it when I was ready to use it. That would have meant that the raspberries would have thawed out and the blending would have been a lot easier as well because the raspberries weren't frozen and hard. But that has done a really, really good job. You can see it is in liquid form. It's a really, really nice smoothie. Really, really do recommend the Ninja Blast. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the like button, leave any comments down below, and make sure to hit the subscribe button. Free to do, really helps me out, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now, guys.